National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Union County, Ohio, northern Madison County, northwestern Franklin County, Ohio, southern Delaware County, eastern Champaign County, until 3 a.m. At 2:09 a.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Milford Center, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, quarter-size hail. Locations impacted include Marysville, Plain City, Hilliard, Dublin, Upper Arlington, Powell, Worthington. In addition, Unionville Center, Nudover, Amity, Watkins, U.S. Route 33 at U.S. Route 42, Shawnee Hills, Columbus Zoo and Marble Cliff are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.